Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks video on this 2013 Ford F-150. We put a 3-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x10 Moto Metal 970 wheels in a gloss black finish with a negative 24mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 Atturo TrailBlade XT tires. If you want more information on these tires and wheels, watch the wheel matchup video somewhere around here. But on this 3-inch lift, it is honestly one of my favorite lifts. It's a little bit more than a level, and it lets you fit the 35s with the offset of wheel that you'd prefer, a 20x10 with a negative 24. You're not stuck with a 20x9 with a positive offset like you would if you were running a level lift. With that being said, tips and tricks on this 3-inch lift: you will have to disassemble your strut, so make sure that you have a spring strut compressor, or you have already lined up with a shop where you can take them your strut, they can take off the top hat and install the new top hat, because this is not, it is a spacer lift, but it replaces the entire upper part of your strut assembly rather than just putting a spacer on top. With that being said, everything besides that's pretty simple and easy and self-explanatory, and you should be able to knock it out no problem. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.